welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's ThatGirlRuvie. If you are new, my name is Ruby, and on this channel we do sewing tutorials, DIYs, thrift flips. So go ahead and subscribe and stay tuned to this whole little show. So in this video we're going to be making a skirt, as you saw by the title. This skirt or the fabric that I'm going to be using is from a failed project where I tried to make this dress and it did not come out as well as I wanted it to come out. So I was not wearing that dress at all. So I didn't want my fabric to go to waste. So we're going to be reusing this fabric to make this little cute skirt.
This is the design inspiration that I'm going with. Cute and easy. And this is the design that I chose to go with the long slit at the back. Here's our fabric. As you can see, it's already hemmed at the bottom. This is the measurements that you're going to be using for a small, because I'm a small. Make sure that the stretchy side of the fabric is going to go across your body. Here I'm cutting the pieces that's going to be the inside waist part of the skirt. I didn't have a long piece, so I had to make two shorter pieces to put them together to make one long piece that goes all around the skirt. If you do have enough fabric, you can just make one long piece. As the measurements, I'm going to display them on screen so you can see which measurements I used. Mind you, I am a size small to medium, I think, nowadays. I'm going to put them together, right sides touching, and pinning one side that I'm going to sew together. I'm going to be putting that little rectangle that we attached together on the top of the skirt, and we're gonna take our skirt material, the rectangle, flat on the ground, right side facing up, and then take the smaller rectangle, right side facing down, and pin them together at the top, and then sew. When sewing the parts together, make sure that you're stretching your fabric out so that when you do put on the garment, you do not break any of your stitches. I'm cleaning up the waist part of the skirt, cutting off the excess pieces. As you finish, you're going to need to stretch out the waist of the skirt to make sure none of the stitches are breaking, to just test it out. And if they do break, you can just redo the stitch again, making extra sure that you are stretching your fabric while stitching it. Here I'm folding our fabric in half, right sides touching, so that we make the back seam of the dress. And remember that we are leaving a slit, so do not pin your fabric all the way down.
Mile in fog patches and showers early Friday, but improving to greater than 6 miles on Friday morning. Stars shining bright above me. Night breezes seem to whisper
After sewing the back seam, you're going to need to hem the slit part and the bottom of the skirt. And here I was doing a fitting to see if the skirt was fitting me nicely the way I wanted it to, and none of the stitches were stretching apart as I put it on. I was pretty excited, hence the dance. For the front detail of the skirt, we're going to need to turn the skirt inside out. To make the detail, we're going to make small pleats on that top part, and make sure that this effect you're also pleating on the outside of the skirt. I didn't pin mine down necessarily because I don't need to, but if you are a beginner, you're going to need to pin it down so that it comes out nicely. I was just squishing my fabric together to make the pleats as I sew along. And this is how the detail should be looking from the outside of the skirt.
She's a beauty queen, bad, bad. You ain't nobody's number two. These men, they should be fighting over you. No second guessing what I'm saying. Baby, you can take this to the bank and make it sweet. It's time to listen to yourself right now. Make it sweet. Don't even listen to these guys right now. Make it sweet. This treasure buried deep inside right now.
Thank you so much for watching. This is the end of the video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share to your friends that like sewing. Let's grow our little community. And thank you so much for 200 subscribers. Like, I am so excited. Thank you so much for that. And if you do try out any of my tutorials, please do tag me. All my socials are down below.